Making sure the chain on your chainsaw has proper tension is very important. I'm Rob North and I'm going to show you how to adjust the tension on your chainsaw. Before we start adjusting anything, it's a good idea for you to learn everything you can about proper fuel and oil maintenance, and you can do that by pushing on the button on the screen right now. When using your chainsaw, it's normal for the chain to stretch over time and become loose on the bar, like this. I highly recommend that you check the tension on the chain prior to each use. First step is loosening the bolts that lock down the clutch plate. This will allow the bar to move a bit. Lift up the bar and adjust the tension with the adjuster located right here. The chain should fit snugly all the way around the bar, and I should be able to lift up the chain just a little bit and have it snap back into place just like that. Then take a screwdriver, or the wrench that came with the saw, put it in the saw groove and rotate the chain one complete rotation. Make sure that the tension is even all the way around the bar and that it's snug but not so tight that it hangs up. With all that done, you can tighten up the clutch plate bolts. Now that you know how to adjust the tension, let's cover a few ground rules for keeping your chain sharp. First, if you dip this thing in the dirt, it's going to get dull almost instantly. Second, keep notice of the size of the wood chips that are coming from your new chain. As the sawdust gets finer, it's either time for a new chain or to get that one sharpened. To remove the chain for sharpening or replacement, just take the bolts off the clutch plate with a wrench. Take off the chain bar and remove the chain. To put it back on, reverse the steps. I'm Rob North, and now you can safely get to cutting. Click these buttons to learn more about the tools you need to get the job done.